Hi, this is a demonstration of how to call a contractor with a text message rather than using the VuSpex app. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a permit number here and wait for that to load. I'm going to click on the permit information and I'm going to click on Inspect Now right here. This is what we call an ad hoc inspection. So you would do this anytime you wanted to do it. It doesn't have to be necessarily scheduled. So you could go ahead and click Inspect Now. Select an inspection type for the inspection. I'm just going to click Building Completion, hit Submit. Then I'm going to type in a phone number for my test account, click my name, and then I'm going to hold the Shift key down on the keyboard and click the mouse. That's the difference here. Rather than just clicking the button to start, you're holding the Shift key and then clicking the mouse as well at the same time. So I do that. And it goes ahead and connects. And on my phone, I see there's a text message popping up. I'm going to click on that. And there's a link that says, please click this link to start your inspection with the inspector. So I click that. I hit the Allow Permissions button on the contractor side. And it's connecting. And I am now connected via a link from my text message rather than using the VuSpex app. Everything else works identically in the window here. The only downside you'll see is for iPhone devices, the zoom and flashlight features do not work. Everything else should work identically as far as taking photos, videos, annotations, and things of that nature. So you'll be able to use virtual inspections fairly identically. On Android phones, the remote features do work and the remote flashlight does work. It's only on iPhone devices that they do not with this particular method of connecting. Aside from that, everything should be the same. So thank you. That was a quick demonstration of how to connect with a contractor for a text message window versus the VuSpex application. If you have any questions, you can email support@vuspex.com and we'll get right back to you. Thank you.